Alright, so just a quick update. I have no internet, so all of my videos are still in progress because they're bigger than these little updates I'm going to be doing with my phone and uploading with my phone. But we've started to pull out some junk. Got a pile of junk over here. Pulled out the boat. We got a new pickup truck for hauling wood, and got a lot of our wood situation sorted out here, or at least part of it. Processing the wood by the boiler, and back behind the barn we got about 5 cords of wood going back there. But just wanted to let everybody know I'm still around, just have no internet. I have a lot of videos to upload once we do get access, but for us to get access it's actually down the street. Briefly, we installed some blinds on the windows. We did a lot of cutting down some dead trees. That's where some of that wood came from. Like I said, the truck that we got, $1,500, can't beat it. Inside the barn we started organizing everything. Everything's been documented. I'm going to get all that uploaded, but I just wanted to do a quick video with the phone so that I can let y'all know that I'm still around. Haven't lost me. Pretty much starting from scratch on a farm, a farmette, a little homestead. It's not easy work. That's what I'm finding out, especially when you need about 15 cords of wood to heat your house in the wintertime, and winter's 8 months long. So we're probably going to bite the bullet here and try and buy some wood here instead of gathering it for free and cutting it ourselves, just because, you know, here it is almost the end of August, and winter for us will start in October. So, all right. Well, hope everything's going well with y'all. And please like and subscribe. Check out the blog page I have. That's at howlingfarms.com. Again, that's howlingfarms.com. And let me know what you think. I appreciate it. On to the next.